Christmas morning, Polar Express. Let's see this Christmas baby before the reactive one comes in. Good morning, Christmas baby. Merry Christmas. It's your first Christmas. It's your first Christmas, Nori.
Say hi.
Hi, Christmas baby. What's going on?
OMG, I saw what you got.
What?
I saw what you got.
Every boy needs a sled. It's one that we can attach a string to so he can sit in it and we can pull it. Merry Christmas, Kate and Tyler and Henry.
Merry Christmas.
We love you guys.
Coffee.
Yes, time for coffee, and then we'll start again with the reactive kid. And cut.